Hi and welcome to my video. My name is Olivia and I'm the soap barista from Austria. We have winter time and it's cold outside, so I decided to make a warming soap or a soap with warming ingredients and fragrance. And I had the idea to design a new honey soap with a mixture of melt and pour with gold mica on the top, and there is the honey soap with two different honey fragrances. I love the design, I love how it turned out, even the colors and the topping, and I want to show you how to make this soap. This is a mold I love. I love the kind of mold and even the size and the round, and therein I cut these little pieces from packaging, and this is one with very small air bubbles in, and I put them on the bottom of the mold, then spritz with rubbing alcohol. And I will do a honey soap, and on the top of the honey soap I want to have these little bubbles, and I use melt and pour soap with gold mica in it for the top of the soap, and we create first the top of the soap. I melted down in a double boiler the melt and pour soap. It's a transparent one. We don't really have this how the Asian people have a very clear melt and pour soap, and ours is okay, but it's not really clear. And then you put the very top of the folie, the packaging, with gold, and look that the soap shouldn't be too much underneath the folie, so but it holds from themselves, it's not quite difficult. And now it's 12 hours later, and I put it out, these little round melt and pour soaps, and there will be the top for my honey soaps. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching and see you next time, and happy Christmas. Bye bye. Ciao ciao.